Triangle, taking control. Nice touch. Point goes for lane. Number 9, service by the Hornet. Spiker Hornet again. Ear smash, powerful way. Comes to the ball. Number 4 from Junior. Oh. Point goes for the Shimuwa. Back to Chumut handling carefully. Number 7. Trying to make the ball, giving it back. Second by the Juniors. Juniors giving it back. Making the ball. Juniors number 1. Smash. Wow! One hand, but powerful. Now, Hornet versus another service to the Hornet. Second by Spiker. Spiker shooting it back. Now second by the Hornet. Hornet making the ball. Giving it back for the Ignite. Ignite getting ready for the powerful smash. Given powerful! Shimu still going on. Shimuwala giving it back to the Juniors. Again fall down, but go up again. Again falling down, the number 1. Nice. Giving everything for the game. Jersey number 1. No. That was a beautiful save by jersey number 1 from the team. But the point goes to
Hepnya versus Vanju. Hepnya versus Vanju. Vanju.
Taking the serve. Hornet service. Spikers getting Ignite. Ignite by the taking the ball, taking full control. Making nice by nice block on the net. Point goes to the Hornet. Chumu versus Junior. Junior with the ball. Number 7 giving it back. Number 7, beautiful one hand power. Shot but effective. Number again with a powerful one, but giving it back. The Shimus and the Juniors giving each a powerful smash. Lift up. Now. Number Shimus to the service. Juniors flying here. Oh, powerful serve. Powerful smash by jersey number 4. Hornet versus the Ignite going on to Hornet number 7. Nice, but away. The Hornet.
Points 4-8.
Number 1 giving everything for her team. Going many times, but she gets up. She needs to be
Points
careful.
5-8.
Again. Oh. Hornets trying to control powerful. Now Hornet trying his best, giving powerful smash one after another. And going all the way. Spiker is Ignite. Oh, Ignite. Playing very big. Way. The Hornet trying. Coming back. This is
Namanya
long
apa?
girl match.
Namanya apa? Mana lukanya? Dia lukanya gimana?
Junior is still going on.
Whoa! Thank you, Waza.
Pushing it back. Oh, nice. Point goes to the juniors. Juniors with the ball. Jersey number 5. Beautiful. Giving it back. There was no one back. Out the line. Point
Come on. Tasa!
Jersey number 5. That's great. What a break for them. Going back to the man. Ignite versus Hornet. But a very critical serve by the Spiker.
Cứ được rồi, học tay.
Another serve by second by the Hornet. Giving it back. Nice. Idea here. Nice. Point goes to the Hornets.
가오도 아니나. 왜?
Point goes to the Hornets. Now going on match Hornets for strikers, number 7 from the Hornets. Trying to adjust. Whoa! That was powerful. Oh! Not a great response by two teams. Another one! Oh! Two powerful strikes from two teams. Yeah. Point goes to the Hornets. Power reply to power answer. Giving it back. Touched by the striker. No, push that at the four. Point goes for the strikers at 9. The Plant versus Thieves. Nice! Taken by Knight. Giving it back to the Hornets. Fly Hornets! Fire! By the Hornets. Coming back to
나중아.
Chumu versus Junior. Right after Chumu versus Junior. Tenepe and the 7. Tenepe will face the 7. Players get ready. And right after Hornets versus Ignite Spikers, we will have Spartan Spiker versus Gospel Ministry. Boys, right after the Hornets and Ignite Spikers, Spartan Spiker versus Isha Gospel Ministry. Players are requested to get ready and be here right after the Hornet Ignite match.
Whoa!
Junior versus the Chumu.
14-11.
Going on, battling
Point.
till the end. The weather is hot. It's hot and it's very hard to see. Going to the Chumu. Number 1 falling from the starting, falling till now for her team. Number 1. She falls, she gets up again and again. She is a wonderful player from the team. Number 7 and number 1. Nice. Again! Falls again, but gets up. Wow. Number 1. What a play by number 1. She hits, she sits and she gets up. Number 1. Very good play.
You have 16 points.
Nice. Oh, missing the finger. Number 8. Nice. Junior versus Chumu. Now the Chumuwalas need to do something. They need to give response.
Whoa.
Another one for the Chu.
Changi chalak.
This girl, she's not
Hey,
even tired.
Changi chalak.
Again for another one. She falls, she gets up again. She's going for the third one. Hat-trick. No, this time she falls down. And it's, but the point goes to the Juniors. What a powerful match played by number 7, number 1 and the team of Junior. Hats off. The match between Juniors versus Chumu won by the Juniors. Congratulations. What a very good play we have watched. Thank you. Both the teams, Chumu and Juniors. Juniors will be moving ahead, but for the Chumus. Thank you for this wonderful match.
Hello. Oi.
Now, NFA will face the NFA will face the 7. Players are requested to get ready and be there in the court.
Ini siapa? Ini siapa?
This is The match still going on. Hornets versus Ignite
Super.
Spikers. Now for the Hornets and Ignite. Still going on. Foul is made by the Ignite. Ignite.
Tasha! Tasha!
Igniting their flames in the match. The Hornets need to Alright. The 7th versus the Tenepe will be played now.
Point 22-13.
Alright, Hornet versus Ignite. Both the boys giving their best. Hornet taking the ball. Giving it back, number 7. But take it by the Ignite. Ignite giving it back. Ignite with a technique. Giving ball Hornet. Hornet. Oh, point goes for the Hornet. The Hornets going with the serve, taken by the Ignite. Ignite, plan going on! But this time, the Ignite takes this point. Ignite with a point. For the ladies, Matfa versus Elite, won by Matfa. Crowd Legend versus Axios, won by Crowd Legends. Chumu versus Junior, won by Juniors. Now for the 4th match for women's category volleyball, Tenepe versus the 7. Tenepe versus the 7. Now for boys, Hornet versus Ignite Spikers. Right after them, we will see another match, Spartan Spiker versus Ishaq Gospel Ministry. Players of these teams are requested to line, get ready and be ready for the next match.
Philip, che. First set goes in favor of Hornet.
Tell me. Referee, Mr.
Second set.
Service. Okay. Now for Ignite. Ignite giving it back. Now touched by the Ignite, number 1. Nice. Ladies, Tenepe versus the 7. Match will be started now. Going back to the man. Hornet versus Ignite Spikers. Match still moving forward. Yes. Point goes to the Hornets. Is still on. Nice. Hornets and Ignite going on face to face in this live. Alright. Ignite making on the shot. Line up for the Tenepe and the 7. going on. Hornet versus Ignite. Wow, what a fall.
Paswerte lagi pura hujan kita boleh tak ada. Ada kiri deh. Nikle.
Ignite. Hornet versus Ignite.
pun nomor 6 hangsu ni. Kiri sama.
Ai tinggal.
Now for the Ignite service. Taking it easy. Oh, that was a very good save by number 11. Not forgetting for the ladies, Tennessee versus the 7. Match starting. We'll go back to the man. Hornet spikers. Yes. Trying to adjust as much as possible. The Ignite. What a miss. Point goes for the Hornets. Hornet service. Second. Nice! Oh! Point goes for the Hornet again. This is a knockout match. They should know. They should do their best in order to stay in the game. To win. Oh, what a powerful block! No, the Ignite are giving the best for the Hornets, not because. And now the Hornet Ignites lifting out the ball, just number 11. Nice fly, just number 11. What a beautiful play by number 11. Now going back again. Service. Miss. No taken. Giving it back powerful smash.
You.
Nice. Nice. The Hornets are trying. No.
Points
Ignite
10-7.
are also trying. The Ignite needs to respond. Nice response by the Ignite. Now confusion here with the group.
Oh, sorry, point 9-7.
Hornet versus the Ignite. Still match is on. First set won by the Hornet. Now the Ignite. Because of this sunny day, it's very hard for the players to play Ultra. Because the sun drains their energy. Now this is still
Side.
going
Woo!
on point for the Hornet again. It's very hard even for the players to
Dia kau pun mana ada.
the Hornet with the
Points
service
13-8.
again. Hornet. Hey, what a beautiful serve. Deadly serve. You need to check your hand after that service is given. Nice. Shoulder. Number 1. Nice punch. Away the ball goes. Mr. Takamba and Nim Chang with the ladies. Nice. Sam t-shirt. Sam long half pant. The referees are international referees, Mr. Takamba. Nice. Number 18. Nice down by the what a play by number 8. Wow. Number 10, hands off. What a good play. Beautiful play. Beautiful. Surface. Beautiful play from the beautiful girl. Nice down again. It was in. Assumption. But it was in. Tenepe with the service. Beautiful serve. Wow. Nice. The 7. Oh. Please. Tenepe. Service. It's okay. Oh, wow. The 7 with the service. The 7 confidently one hand serve, but this is powerful in the way. Jersey number 16. Nice. Touch.
Point 16, 12.
Standing making the ball. The 7. Oh, down, but she hits the ball. Nice. Tenepe, the 7 versus the Tenepe. Idea, second. Nice idea, but whoa, again, giving it back. 2. Yes. Number 1. One hand. Nice one again, giving it back. Tenepe trying to just miscommunication. Now the ball. The Tenepe. Wow. Service. Beautiful. Nice second. Giving it back. Easy. Oh, one hand. Trying to adjust. Giving it back in the same position with one hand trying to. Wow. Advantage with a height also. Now with the serve. Nice one hand serve. Powerful. She is a setter going for the kill. Kneeling down again with one hand, but far away goes the ball. Point goes to the 7. Ball going back to the Hornet versus the Ignite Spikers. Going back to the Ignite and the Spiker. Hornet. The Hornet with the serve. Hornet needs to fly. The Ignite needs burn touch. I believe. Away.
18.22-13.
Roll, please. You are requested to study a little bit damage and then you don't need to pull that one, brothers.
First warning, 14. Set point 14.
Hornets versus
Game
the
up.
Knights. Ah, nice second. Oh, Chelsea number 19 trying her best.